Hello. So let's see how to reset your MacBook in case if you don't know the password of the device and then at least you can reuse the device. So right now I have a computer which I don't know the password. So and I don't have any other option. I don't have an iCloud account or I don't have another admin account or I don't have a recovery key from my drive encryption. So I have to recover this device at least to reuse. So what I can do is now just shut down my device, and once it is fully shut down, now you have to press the power button and keep on hold. Just keep on hold until you see the startup option. So now it's loading, so I can, yeah. So now I have this here and I have go to options for recovery because I don't have the password, so I can't log in. So I want to reset this device now. So now this is a recovery page and I don't have the password for this. So go to the recovery assistant and select erase Mac, and you can try erase this Mac and click erase. So now what it will do is like it completely erase your MacBook, and once the erase is completed, I will show you how to reinstall the OS. Yes, so now the device is successfully erased, and now it's ready for the configuration. So I can just select the language, and now I have to connect a Wi-Fi. You have to use the Wi-Fi icon on the top and select the Wi-Fi you want to connect. I had connected the Wi-Fi and now it says like my MacBook is activated. So I just have to press exit recovery. Now you have option here to reinstall the macOS. So I select that option and click continue. So you can see press continue installation box. Agree the terms and conditions and choose the hard drive. So it will take like 2 to 3 hours to completely reinstall your operating system. So once the reinstallation is fully completed, you can configure your MacBook as a new one. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so that I can put more contents. Thank you.